Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I always take you guys on my trips with me to the different festivals and the different events that I attend. So today I'm at home and we just bought the new iMac that came out, I believe, a month ago. So I thought, you know what, let's do something different and do an unboxing of that iMac and show you guys how to connect it. आप लोग सब मेरे साथ हमेशा मेरी ट्रिप्स पे साथ जाते हैं, जो फेस्टिवल्स में अटेंड करती हूँ एंड जो इवेंट्स में एक्सक्यूज मी जो इवेंट्स और फेस्टिवल्स में अटेंड करती हूँ उसमें भी आप लोग मेरे साथ होते हैं. तो आज मैं घर पे हूँ और हमने नया iMac लिया है जो आई थिंक 1 महीने पहले ही निकला है. तो मैंने सोचा क्यों ना आप सब लोगों के साथ उसकी अनबॉक्सिंग करूँ और आपको दिखाऊँ कि वो कितना ईजी कनेक्ट होता है. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so, and if you have, thank you so much. मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. Stay tuned for the unboxing of the new iMac and how to connect it. Before I continue with this video, I do want to clarify one thing. In no way is this a promotional video. Apple is not paying me to promote their products. I have used Apple products for years and I'm a huge fan of the Apple products. I have the iPhone, the MacBook Pro, the AirPods. Everything of mine is Apple because I believe they have good products. So again, this is not a promotional video and this is just from my personal experience that I'm sharing with you guys. मैं एक चीज़ आप सब लोगों के साथ क्लैरिफाई करना चाहती हूँ कि ये कोई प्रमोशनल वीडियो नहीं है. एप्पल मुझे पैसे नहीं दे रहा है उनके प्रोडक्ट्स प्रमोट करने के लिए. मैंने हमेशा सिर्फ एप्पल के प्रोडक्ट्स ही यूज़ किए हैं और वो बहुत अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, इसीलिए मैं ये वीडियो आप लोगों के साथ शेयर कर रही हूँ. I'm sure all of you guys are aware that the iMac is an extremely popular item these days, and most of the Apple stores in our area were sold out of it. So what we did is we went ahead and ordered it online, and then they do give you that option that you can do curbside pickup. So all you have to do is pull up in your car, show them your ID, and they bring the computer out to you. आप सब लोग इमेजिन कर सकते हैं कि ये जो नया iMac है ये बहुत पॉपुलर है. जैसे सारे एप्पल के प्रोडक्ट्स जब नए नए निकलते हैं तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा पॉपुलर होते हैं. तो हमारी एरिया में सारे एप्पल की दुकानों में वो सोल्ड आउट था. तो हमने क्या किया, हमने ऑनलाइन ऑर्डर किया था और उधर एक ऑप्शन देते हैं कि आप किसी भी स्टोर पे जाके उसका कर्ब साइड पिकअप कर सकते हो. और कर्ब साइड पिकअप क्या है कि आप अपनी गाड़ी में पुल अप करो, आपको दुकान के अंदर जाने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं है, अपना सिर्फ आईडी दिखाओगे एंड वो आपको कंप्यूटर बाहर लेकर आएंगे. Here's the front of the box, and in order to carry the box they provided a little handle right over here. Okay. Side view of the box, and this is the back. So now let's get to unboxing. They have a little flap right over here and that's how you open it, and since I am recording I am gonna let somebody else open it up. Okay, the flap did open from the bottom right over here, but you do have to turn it to the front side in order to open the box. Okay. Wow, it has a nice little hello right there. It does have like a cloth covering on it. इसमें एक like कपड़े का material लगा हुआ है इस तरफ. So I'm gonna let them lift it out for me because I'm not gonna be able to lift this out and do the recording. Okay, I think to get the monitor out, you do have to open this little flap. Okay, you do have to open that flap, and here is the monitor. I like that little hello right there, that's cute. Before you open the rest of the box, make sure you put this monitor somewhere else so it doesn't break or anything while we look through the box. ये जब आप बॉक्स खोलते हो आपको ख्याल रखना है कि ये मॉनिटर हटा के साइड पे रखें तो अंदर जो सामान इसके है right here वो सब देख सकें. So let's put the monitor to the side, guys. Oh, I see the keyboard in there. This is the compartment that has the keyboard and all the cables in it. So let's open this up. Okay, as you guys can see, here's the keyboard, here's the mouse, And here are all the cables that we're going to be needing. And this is a touch ID right over here. I'm trying to do too many things at one time, so I'm going to let them handle it. It is a wireless mouse. Okay, ये उसका mouse है. Okay, can you look at the keyboard and see what's underneath? Okay, you can just leave it there. Okay, here's the keyboard. And again, इस पे Touch ID का keyboard है और ये यहाँ पे Touch ID है. जैसे दूसरे like models iPhone के उस पे Touch ID होता था कि finger रखें और वो recognize करता है. ये keyboard भी ऐसे. Here is the charger that goes with the keyboard. You want to bring the keyboard closer? ये जो वायर है ये कीबोर्ड में कनेक्ट करते हैं right over here. और ये सेम चार्जर टाइप वायर है that also works with regular iPhones and stuff. I think we got it all, guys. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. You want to put those down so you can show what this is? Let's see what this is. Probably a sticker or something. This charger wire right here is gonna connect with this. ये जो इन लोगों ने charger wire दी है, I'm going to show you guys all that in the details when we connect it. But these are all the pieces and they gave a few stickers right here. Okay, let's start connecting it. Okay, we took everything out of the box. सब कुछ निकाल लिया है box से. अब उसको बंद कर रहे हैं. So now we can start connecting the computer. We took everything out. So the monitor, keyboard, that's the charger for the keyboard. Here's the mouse and all the cable wires, and now we're ready to connect it. ये सारी चीजें हमने बॉक्स से निकाल दी हैं. A nice hello. Okay, and here's the monitor. Back also has a little film on it, so we're going to remove that. पीछे भी एक film है, तो वो भी हटाना है. ये 24-inch monitor है. There's the power button right over here. Really cover this thing properly. Okay, जो power button है, फिर से आप लोगों को दिखा दूं. Power button इधर है. This is the back of the monitor, and this is the front of the monitor, right over here. And यहाँ पर ये रहा webcam. They also have a little strap that you need to pull off on the side. The packaging is excellent on this product. I have two people helping me. Okay, so that was the side strap. And right in between here is where you're going to start the connections. So let's start the connection. Okay, and this is what it looks like. Told you guys the packaging is excellent. They really package everything properly. This is the first cord that's gonna go right over here, and this is magnetic, so it just clicks in right here. ये जो cord है ये magnetic है, ये खुद ब खुद ऐसे snap हो जाती है, just snaps in. There is something very noteworthy about this cable. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna go as close as I can. Remember the old cables, they kind of like break and stuff. You can see this is almost like a fiber type of a cable. ये जो पुरानी cables होती थी computers की, वो टूट जाती थी. तो ये जो केबल है इसमें थोड़ा लाइक फाइबर क्लॉथ की तरह फीलिंग आती है. So they do have a new cord for this, so this is really good that it's not going to break or anything like that. So I wanted to note the cord for you guys. Okay guys, this does have a little Ethernet cable area, which is right over here. These are all the power cords so far. Okay, you guys can see that clicked in right there. Right over here, there are 2 Thunderbolt USB 4 ports and 2 USB 3 ports. So these are all the ports right over here. This is a Magic keyboard, of course, with a Touch ID. You can either connect it with Bluetooth or you can use this wire, this charger wire. And again, it has that special cord. ये कीबोर्ड का नाम है मैजिक कीबोर्ड और इसका टच आईडी यहाँ पर है. एंड 2 वेज हैं कनेक्ट करने के लिए. या आप वायर यूज कर सकते हो या आप ब्लूटूथ. सो वी आर गोना कनेक्ट इट राइट नाउ टू द मॉनिटर. सो लेट्स डू दैट. एंड अगेन दिस वन इज अ वायरलेस माउस. ये वायरलेस माउस है इसका. सो लेट्स कनेक्ट द कीबोर्ड गाइस. So we do have to go behind to connect the keyboard. There is a film on the keyboard as well for protection. ये कीबोर्ड के ऊपर एक फिल्म बनाया है इसको प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए. Okay, and now let's connect the keyboard to the wire. And that is where you connect it. Okay, so now you do have it as a wired keyboard. Again, you do have the option of a Bluetooth with it as well. This monitor also has a tilting feature. इस मॉनिटर को आप टिल्ट भी कर सकते हो ऊपर नीचे, साइड टू साइड, up down, side to side. Okay, now we're going to power it on. So let's go in the back. Hold on. We're going to go in the back to power it on. And again, I'm going to do the honors. Here is the power button. Okay, this is powering it on. ये अभी हमने power on किया है. It's all powered on. This mouse can be charged with a wire that's charging with the keyboard, and you do have to turn a switch on. It's telling you on the monitor to activate the mouse. Did you guys see that? It's really small. It's really tiny. It's right here. That's really, really small. And look, it's saying hello. Hola. ये छोटा सा बटन जो है ये ऑन करना पड़ता है माउस को एक्टिवेट करने के लिए. Okay, as soon as you have it properly with the mouse on and everything,
press the return key.
It tells you it's self-explanatory that if English is your first language, you click on that. ये self-explanatory है बहुत. अगर English use करना है तो English पे click करें. Then it says pair your keyboard. Again, they have an on and off button right here. अगर wire के साथ use करें या Bluetooth के साथ, इधर पीछे, this is the little button guys to turn the keyboard on. Okay, and then select the region. All of these questions are very basic. You pick the country that you're in. Now it tells you to select your Wi-Fi network, so you can go ahead and do that. इधर इस screen पे आपको अपना Wi-Fi select करना है. Okay, now you need to sign in with your Apple ID. There's a little headphone jack right over here that you can connect it to. It's on the left side of the monitor. यहाँ पे आप अपने headphones भी connect कर सकते हो. Okay guys, there were plenty of screens where you just have to click yes or no, and now it's time to set up Siri. इसमें बहुत सारी screens आती हैं जिसपे सिर्फ हाँ या ना का जवाब देना होता है और अब Siri set up करने हैं. So let's set up Siri. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. Hey Siri, show my downloads. Hey Siri, what's the weather? Hey Siri, what does the rest of my day look like? Okay, now Siri is ready. ये basically आपको जो वो screen पे आया है Siri सेटअप करने के लिए आपको वो ही रिपीट करना पड़ता है. Okay, now it tells you to set up the Touch ID. There's the Touch ID. And here it is. I gotta back up a little bit so I can show you guys clearly. There's the screen. It's ready to go now. Before I go into what kind of a model it is, because I'm just going to pull up a screen on the computer to show you what model this is, I do want to show you a very, very special website on this computer before I even open anything else on it. मैं आपको इसका मॉडल बताने से पहले, बिकॉज iMac के बहुत सारे मॉडल्स होते हैं, इसका मॉडल का स्क्रीन दिखाने से पहले मैं एक बहुत स्पेशल वेबसाइट खोलना चाहती हूँ. So let me open that website first. Then guess the first website that we're gonna go on. आप लोग गेस कर सकते हो कि पहली वेबसाइट हम कहां पे जाएंगे. Surprise, guys! YouTube, after you get 100 plus subscribers, they do give you your own URL address. So this is my URL address. I can't even talk because I'm so excited. So it's www.youtube.com/myworldbyfaiza. YouTube पे जब आपको 100 से प्लस सब्सक्राइबर्स होते हैं तो वो आपको अपनी खुद की URL एड्रेस देते हैं. So ये मेरी गाइस URL एड्रेस है www.youtube.com/myworldbyfaiza. Click it.
Hi everyone.
Check this out, guys. This is the very first website we have opened. ये पहली वेबसाइट है जो हमने अपने कंप्यूटर पे खोला है. My World by Faiza. ये मेरा YouTube channel है, of course. So this is the first thing we've opened up. Guys, check this out. My YouTube channel on my new computer. Okay, wait for this because I am gonna do a 100 subscriber special. That's coming up. So मैं 100 subscriber special करूँगी. उसका आप लोग wait कीजिएगा. I'm gonna do something very special for it. But this one I wanted to show you guys right now. I hope all of you guys have watched all these videos. I hope आप सब लोगों ने ये सारी videos देखी हैं. I'm gonna turn the screen around. Enough of my promo and everything. मैंने अपना बहुत promotion कर लिया है. अब मैं आपको actually computer के बारे में बताऊंगी कि इसमें storage क्या है and all the configurations of it. So let's turn the screen around and I'll show you guys that. This is a touch scroll mouse. As you can see, ये mouse जो है ये touch करने से ही सिर्फ ऐसे घूमता है. Kinds of iMacs. ये different किस्म हैं iMac के. The one that we have, जो हमारा वाला है, ये बीच वाला है. You can see ours is the 8-core CPU and the 8-core GPU. The only difference between this one and this one is that this one has more storage. Ours has 256 gigabytes of storage. This one has 512 gigabytes of storage. हमारे वाले में और इस वाले में फ़र्क इतना है सिर्फ storage का. They do start at, again, prices are subject to change, guys, but they start at this and they can go up to that. If anybody wants more information on it, of course, all the information is available on apple.com right there. किसी को भी अगर ज़्यादा information चाहिए, apple.com पे जा सकते हैं. Again, ours is the middle one right there. I hope all of you guys found this unboxing of the iMac and connecting it helpful. I hope आप सब लोगों को helpful लगा ये video कि इसका और unboxing iMac का और उसका connection कैसे होता है. I hope this helped a lot of you guys out there. Don't forget, guys, my 100 subscriber special is going to be coming up very shortly. 100 plus. मेरा 100 plus subscriber का special में soon. I'm working on it right now. It's going to be something very, very special. बहुत special मैं करूँगी. Thank you so much for giving me so much love, guys. I truly appreciate all your love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss any of my videos, especially the 100 subscribers special coming up. मेरी channel subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा तो आप मेरी एक भी video ना miss करो, especially जो 100 subscribers special आने वाला है. There's too many S's in that. Remember, always believe in yourself, love yourself, and take care of yourself. Until next time with my new iMac. Bye, guys.